COVID-19, Brazilian trial for drug touted by Trump halted after 11 patients die on high dose.
This post received a score of 50,000, with an upvote ratio of 82%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Here's the Source NYT report for whoever wants to read it. Also, it's well known that high-dose hydroxychloroquine can cause fatal heart arrhythmias. One of the reasons why you have to be very careful with high doses, especially in patients with underlying heart problems. Edit: yes, this study was specifically with chloroquine, which has a more narrow therapeutic window than hydroxychloroquine.
And hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are not the same in terms of side effect profile. Here, they were using the worse version. I don't think this looks like a miracle drug anymore, but the amount of reporting that confuses the two drugs or uses the name interchangeably is irresponsible. They don't prescribe the older version in my country because it's so problematic. Don't know why anyone is using it in critically ill patients.
Both drugs, hydroxy 1 is simply chloroquine's metabolite, cause hyperkalemia, which may lead to heart problems.
Think you mostly need to overdose, have a congenital problem, or be on another drug that causes the same effect to get it from hydroxychloroquine, but happens much more frequently with chloroquine. If you dig deeper, all the shutdown studies reported were using chloroquine, not hydroxychloroquine. That's why they don't really prescribe the older form in the US. This isn't any statement on whether it works or not, but the reporting is so sloppy and misleading.
I take hydroxychloroquine for an autoimmune issue and just received a call from my doctor this morning reminding me that I also take an additional medication that also has a side effect of arrhythmias and that my doses are very carefully thought out by my medical team and to not go against anything medically advised. They must be worried about people following all of this hype and doubling up doses to self-treat or prevent and are calling all patients with that RX.
I have lupus and take HCQ. I used to joke that I had the worst condition ever because I have to take a lot of drugs and none of them have street value. It's really weird to hear people talk about it when a lot of times I've had to explain it at urgent care or any place I need a meds list.
It's never lupus, S.
Greater than. However, higher dose use of chloroquine 600 mg as opposed to 450 mg was stopped after just 6 days, after 11 of patients who were given the greater dose died. So a 600 mg dose is too high. Got it.
Let's try 599 mg next.
Better make it 598 mg just to be safe.
Can you translate that into capfuls of aquarium cleaner? Please answer quickly.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.